Kate Lowell here with Bobby from Beazer Homes, and we're going to talk today about his challenges around training new users. Bobby, how do you train your users currently at Beazer Homes?
Well, we use a number of methods to train them. We have users that I have here on site, and I also have users overseas. Those are the more tricky ones to train. We use a WebEx type technology to train them online in a real time. We'll show our Revit screens as we're training them. We also use design review quite a bit to mark up drawings, and we do training through red lines, which sometimes can be a little challenging, but it works well for us. We also use products by TechSmith to do screenshots and screen captures, video type captures, as well as kind of static type shots that we can mark up. So there's a number of methods that we use.
And is that all internally based with Beazer, or do you use additional outside resources to help you?
We do most of our own training internally. I provide most of our in-house training. We do have some outsourced trainers that are based locally out of Atlanta that we use to help. It's kind of a train-the-trainer scenario. They train us, and then we go in and we train the staff.
And so you said you do a lot of training overseas as well. What are some of the best practices that you've developed about working with people in different countries?
Well, some of the things that we've done as a company is we've really focused in on a small group of people, and they do our work exclusively. So we don't allow them to do work for other people. So we are able to train them on a more consistent basis. I train them on a weekly basis. I meet with them for at least an hour every week. We go over different topics from best practices on how to use CAD, as well as best practices on drafting practices.
Sounds interesting. So as a CAD manager, how do you stay current on new technologies?
That's a pretty tough thing to do. I've tried to make time every so often to get out and interact with other users. I'm involved in some local user groups. I try to utilize the online groups and communities as much as possible. Events like here at AU are fantastic for meeting other people. I have a lot of other CAD managers that I stay in contact with, and it's really about networking with other people and not trying to do everything yourself.